Welcome to the TJL Newsbreak for Monday, August 19th. I'm King Bob Wen, the producer for the Jira Life. We have a lot to cover this week, so let's get started. Atlassian has announced new limits for assets objects in Jira Service Management. On September 30th, object types will be limited to 120 attributes, and URL, email, and select attributes will be limited to 50 entries if using multiple cardinality or a total of 2,700 characters for single and multiple values. Be sure to take a close look at the links in the description to make sure you're ready for September 30th. Jira Align has received a new feature, one that was the most voted enhancement by customers on jira.atlassian.com. You now can hide in the backlog any accepted features. They are now considering whether to extend this functionality to other higher level types such as epics, themes, or initiatives. Jira Service Management will receive some love from Atlassian Intelligence. AI sentiment analysis for JSM is in beta now. This allows for agents to give more empathetic responses to customers. We now turn to the online Atlassian community to give kudos to community members and Queen Mo. In July, the second annual Likes for Trees event occurred. By event end, 45,000 likes were recorded, which corresponded to planting 45,000 trees in areas such as the Amazon rainforest, Forest Fire Fund, and India. Way to go, online Atlassian community. Tempo has announced the ability to export capacity insights to leading BI and data warehouse tools using new connectors that were part of the AlphaServe acquisition. So now, capacity insights can go to Power BI, Tableau, and many other third-party reporting tools. We now look at Jira Data Center and automation for Jira. By now, in recent versions, A for J was bundled into the Jira Data Center product, but was also available in the Atlassian marketplace. By version 9.2, automation for Jira will only be available as bundled into Data Center. Atlassian has announced a new capability is coming to help in the most complex data center to cloud migrations. Better user management is being added to Jira Cloud Migration Assistant and Confluence Cloud Migration Assistant that will allow you to merge duplicate users, update email addresses, or deactivate users after migration. Finally, in news, Compass has announced an early access program for setting alerts and on-call schedules in the team operations section. This replicates the move of these features from OpsGenie to JSM that is available now. Now let's take a look at the Atlassian community events of this week. We start with Ed Gaile, friend of the Jira Life and co-author, along with me, Rodney, and Alex, of Atlassian DevOps Toolchain Cookbook. He's continuing his barbecue and DevOps tour with stops in Minneapolis on August 20th and Milwaukee on August 21st. Also on August 20th is an in-person event for the Columbus ACE where they'll present Expanding Horizons, using Atlassian tools for home, social, and fun, or maybe the not-so-business-oriented features of the Atlassian products. Finally, August 20th has a virtual live learning event. Dr. Valerie Colon presents Getting Started with Atlassian Intelligence. We now go to August 22nd and the events happening then. First up, we welcome a new ACE chapter in Dublin, Ireland as they hold their inaugural meeting. They will recap all that happened at Team 24 in Las Vegas last May. Lansing, Michigan will hold a hybrid event where they will discuss leveling up your automation rules. And on August 23rd, join me and Radio Rob Heen on the first episode of Are You Smarter Than a Jira Admin without Quizmaster Sajit Nair. This will be a true test, not only for the participants, but maybe also for the hosts themselves too. If you have weekend time, don't miss these Atlassian community events happening on Saturday, August 24th. First, Mukurdi presents Let's Talk Atlassian, a meeting with an Ask Me Anything type of format. Go there if you're living around Mukurdi and get your Atlassian questions answered. Chennai looks at new ways of adding program governance using Jira workflows. One of our favorite ACE chapters, Dehli-Gurugram, has a meeting where they'll look at all the safe ways that you can use plans, aka advanced roadmaps, aka portfolio Jira, for PI planning. Finally, join Nairobi as they present our own Alex Ortiz to talk about the value of Atlassian certifications. I don't know how Alex is going to do this without a passport, but this should be fun. That's it for this week's TJL Newsbreak. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all those YouTube-y things that we tell you to do. Join us every Thursday at 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern for our regular episodes of The Jira Life. This week's guest will be Jimmy Seddon of Jimmy Talks Jira and king of certification fame. Also, we will have our special 10-hour live stream on August 31st, where we say goodbye and good luck to Scott as he steps down from Atlassian. Sign up to listen on our community page, or if you want to join us on screen, fill out the I Want to Be on the Jira Life live stream request type on our JSM portal. This is King Bob Wen, hoping you all have a good week.